I'm John Sullivan. I was just a young sailor on the USS Enterprise back in '42, but that day changed everything.
Permission to come aboard, sir.
Granted, sailor. Welcome to the Big E.
I thought I knew what war was. I had no idea. June 1942. We were sailing into history, part of the turning point in the Pacific War. But I didn't know that then.
Japs on the horizon, this is not a drill!
All hands to battle stations. Launch fighters.
The sky erupted into chaos. Steel versus steel, man versus man.
Bandits at 2 o'clock, engaging.
The roar of engines and gunfire was deafening. I could barely hear myself think.
We're hit. Port side taking damage.
But nothing prepared me for what came next.
Kamikaze incoming. Brace for impact.
In that moment, I saw my life flash before my eyes.
God help us.
Got him. Splash one bogey.